This chicken burger with avocado crema is quick, nutritious, and perfect for a satisfying meal at home. In this video, I'll show you how to make it in a simple and healthy way, so let's get started. First, let's make avocado crema. We will need a few ingredients to make this sauce. 1 ripe avocado, half cup sour cream or Greek yogurt, half lemon or lime, a bunch of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, sea salt, and ground black pepper to taste. Now add all ingredients to a food processor. Mexican recipes are always a favorite, and I recently returned from a trip where I enjoyed all the delicious food. This versatile avocado crema is a perfect example. I'm so excited to share more recipes with you. Alright, after adding all of the ingredients to a food processor, blend everything together until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a little water until it reaches your desired texture. There are so many ways to enjoy this avocado crema, as a dip with chips, drizzled over tacos and other Mexican dishes, used as a salad dressing, or just like today, on sandwiches for an extra kick. I truly enjoy making this crema, and I know you will love it too. To prepare the chicken, thinly slice the chicken breast lengthwise for even cooking. If using a large breast, cut each slice in half for burger-sized portions. Then add them to a large bowl. Now in a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and season the chicken generously with the spice mixture, ensuring both sides are coated. To cook the chicken, heat a large skillet or pan over medium-high heat, then add a drizzle of avocado oil. Avocado oil is a healthy choice with a high smoke point, suitable for high-heat cooking. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the chicken pieces in the pan and let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Let the chicken cook without trying to move it. You will know it's ready to flip when it releases easily from the pan and has achieved a nice brown color. To make sure it's perfectly cooked through, you can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's now use the same pan for the buns. Just wipe away any excess oil with a paper towel, then add the buns to the pan and toast them lightly. Now that everything is ready, it's time to assemble our delicious chicken burger. Start by adding avocado crema to the buns. Next, layer some fresh arugula on top of the crema. I prefer arugula in this recipe because its bold flavor beautifully complements the avocado crema more than lettuce. However, feel free to use lettuce if you prefer. Now add a slice of Monterey Jack cheese for a bunch of spicy depth. Then place the cooked chicken on top of the cheese and enjoy this delicious and healthy chicken burger. It's a nutritious and flavorful meal that's sure to satisfy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel for more food inspiration. And thanks for watching.